Here's how to access iPhone files from computer. The easiest option is to connect your iPhone with a cable. If you have a USB-C cable, connect one end to your iPhone and the other end to your computer or Mac. I'll be demonstrating this on a Windows PC, but you can also use a Mac, and the overall process is quite similar. Once your iPhone is connected, open File Explorer on your computer and click on this PC. On the left side, you should see your Apple iPhone listed. If your iPhone doesn't appear, you may need to approve the connection first. Check your computer for any permission prompt asking you to allow access and select Allow. You also need to confirm the connection on your iPhone. So, unlock your iPhone, and you should see a message asking whether you want to allow this device to access your photos and videos. And then enter your iPhone passcode to confirm. After you've approved the connection, return to File Explorer on your computer. Click on Apple iPhone, then open Internal Storage. Here, you'll find the folders containing the files stored on your iPhone. You can open these folders to find your photos, videos, and other available files. From here, you can access and copy the files you need directly to your computer. Now let's move on to the second method, which works wirelessly. For this, open any web browser on your computer and go to iCloud.com. Once the website loads, click Sign In. Then, enter the same Apple account that you use on your iPhone. Depending on your account settings, you may receive a security notification or verification request on your iPhone. After you're signed in, you'll have access to different types of data stored in your iCloud account. For example, you can access your photos and videos, as well as apps and information, such as notes. You can also download supported files directly to your computer. For example, to download a photo, open Photos, and select the image you want. And that's it. So that's all for this video. Thanks.